Welcome to Night Gambit TV is not just a channel to earn money. The main goal is to help chess players grow, from complete beginners to future grandmasters. This channel is created to inspire and motivate chess players, teach powerful tactics and strategies. Chess builds strong thinking and confidence. Fire guide beginners step by step to higher levels. Every video is made with one purpose: backhand index pointing right to improve your chess skills and mindset. Winning games is important, but improving your thinking is the real victory. If you interest this video, subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, don't subscribe, okay? Hello everyone, welcome to the Night Gambit TV. This is first English opening tactics section. 3 white unleashes a brilliant attacking idea in this position. The black king is stuck in the center, and the coordination is collapsing. Now comes the powerful move queen a6 check, a stunning queen check that forces the king into a deadly corner. Black has only one move, king b8, but it walks straight into disaster. Without hesitation, white delivers queen b7, checkmate. The king is completely trapped, with no escape squares and no defenders to help. This is a perfect example of precise calculation and exploiting weak king safety. Simple, sharp, and deadly. This is what tactical chess is all about. Let's go to the second English opening tactics section 3. Hello chess friends and chess lovers, this is second English opening tactics section 3. Okay, let's go. White looks dominant, but black finds a stunning tactical resource. It starts with queen takes b6, eliminating the dangerous bishop and opening lines. After it takes b6, black continues with a brilliant rook takes a4. A powerful rook sacrifice idea. The point: black deflects white's queen and destroys the pawn structure. If white captures, devastating follow-ups crash through the position. The knight on b4 and bishop on e6 coordinate perfectly, creating unstoppable threats. This is a classic example of deflection and overload. White's pieces look active, but they can't handle multiple threats at once. A beautiful tactical shot showing how activity beats material. Always watch for hidden resources. Even in worse positions, tactics can turn the game instantly. Chess fire. Hi friends, welcome to the Night Gambit TV. This is the third tactic in English opening section 3. Okay. In this sharp middle game position, black finds a brilliant tactical idea. It starts with knight takes e5 check, a powerful knight sacrifice that opens up the king. White is forced to respond with queen f3, trying to block and defend. But black continues with knight takes f3, removing the defender and exposing the king completely. Now the position collapses. Black has eliminated key pieces and created unstoppable threats. This tactic shows the power of forcing moves and removing defenders at the right moment. Always look for checks, captures, and threats, because one precise move can change everything in chess. That's the beauty of tactics. Okay, let's go to the fourth English opening tactics section 3. Okay. Hello chess friends and chess lovers, welcome to the Night Gambit TV. In today's video, I'm going to give you English opening tactic 4 section 3. This chess tactic shows a powerful exchange sacrifice idea. Black plays rook takes f6, removing a key defender and opening lines toward the king. White is forced to respond with rook takes f6, but this leads to a deadly follow-up. After queen takes f6, black takes control with a strong attacking position and material advantage. This puzzle teaches the importance of removing defenders and calculating forcing moves. Always look for tactical shots like sacrifices, especially when your opponent's king is exposed. Improve your chess vision with puzzles like this, and sharpen your attacking skills to dominate your games. Okay, let's go to the tactic 5 section 3. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. Hello chess friends and chess lovers, welcome to the Night Gambit TV. In today's video, I am going to give you English opening tactic 5 section 3. In this stunning position, black finds a brilliant and deadly finish. The move queen takes f2 check is a powerful queen sacrifice idea, forcing the white king into a helpless position. After king h1, it looks like white might escape, but here comes the killer blow. Queen f1 checkmate. A beautiful backrank checkmate, perfectly coordinated with a rook and bishop controlling all escape squares. This tactic shows the importance of king safety and piece coordination. Even with material imbalance, one precise sequence can end the game instantly. Always watch for forcing moves like checks and captures, because one moment is enough to turn the game into a masterpiece. Let's go to the 6th English opening tactics section 3 OK. Welcome to the Knight Gambit TV. Let's go to the English opening tactics 6 section 3 OK. White unleashes a brilliant attacking idea in this position. The king looks safe, but hidden tactics say otherwise. First comes the stunning sacrifice. Bishop takes h7 check. Black is forced to capture with a rook. And now, the killer blow, queen takes h7 checkmate. The king is completely trapped with no escape squares. This is a classic example of a Greek gift sacrifice leading to a beautiful mating net. Notice how every white piece works perfectly together to control key squares. This is not just a sacrifice, it's precise calculation and pattern recognition. Learn this pattern, and you'll start spotting checkmates like a pro. OK, let's go to the 7th English opening tactics section 3. Hi chess friends and chess lovers, welcome to the Knight Gambit TV. In today's video, I am going to give you English opening tactics 7 section 3 OK. White unleashes a brilliant attacking idea starting with bishop h7 check, a classic sacrifice to expose the king. Black is forced to play king h8, stepping into danger. Now comes the key move, rook takes d4, removing the central defender and opening deadly lines. Suddenly, black's position collapses. The bishop, rook, and queen coordinate perfectly, targeting the king with unstoppable threats. This is a powerful example of how sacrificing material can destroy king safety and activate your pieces. Always look for these tactical moments where one sacrifice opens the door to a decisive attack. Chess is not just calculation, it's creativity and courage. OK, let's go to the English opening tactic 8 section 3 OK. Hello chess friends and chess lovers, welcome to the Knight Gambit TV. In today's video, I am going to give you 8th English opening tactics section 3 OK. White looks completely winning, but black finds a hidden defensive resource. After bishop c6, black blocks the queen and sets a clever trap. If white greedily plays q takes c6, it looks like a free piece. But this is the turning point. Black calmly responds with b takes c6, and suddenly the position transforms. The open b-file, activated rook, and strong pawn center give black powerful counterplay. White's attack disappears, and material advantage is gone. This tactic teaches an important lesson: never rush captures without calculating the opponent's recapture. One careless move can flip the entire game. Stay sharp, calculate deeply, and always expect hidden resources. OK, now the game finished.